you've got corporate guests who'll be coming here now, and so now we've got an environment where you can have team away days. With the remote working that's going on now, where are you going to bring the team together? People are closing their offices and what have you. They can come here, they can stay over if they want. There's a bar with great local alcohol. There's homemade food coming down to be prepared. There's great accommodation and a conference room where you can, right, let's get down to business. Let's talk, what is the plan? It sounds absolutely brilliant. And they'll want access to the internet. In fact, they'll need it.
Internet here has always been a bit of an issue. If you were to just go down your normal sort of copper wired broadband, which is what we had initially, your upload and your download speeds, you were talking about 0.5 and 1. So hugely, hugely slow. If you're going to label yourselves as luxury, you need to make sure that they have at least the same level of luxury as they do at home, if not more. And so with a high level of sort of urban travellers coming here, they have really good access to internet. We've now put in a 100 over 100 leased line from BT. It's been a serious investment, but also we're now able to supply it to other small businesses. Because we've put it in here, we're now putting in the nanotechnology to actually supply it to in-line of sight businesses within the area. So they don't have to take on that investment cost of getting the leased line in. They can actually just piggyback off of what we're doing.
I love it. That's that responsibility to others again.